Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest iPhone features in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling how to turn on Vibrate on iPhone 2025. Whether you're preparing for a quiet meeting, studying in a library, or just want to avoid loud ringtones, enabling Vibrate is a game changer. This feature has been refined in the 2025 iOS updates for even smoother performance, so let's dive right in. First things first, grab your iPhone and unlock it. Start by opening the Settings app. It's that gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This is where all the magic happens for your iPhone's audio and vibration settings. Now, look for the Vibrate section. You'll see options like Vibrate on Ring and Vibrate on Silent. To turn on Vibrate for when your phone is ringing, simply toggle the switch next to Vibrate on Ring to the on position. It's that easy. If you want Vibrate to work even when your phone is on silent mode, make sure to enable Vibrate on Silent as well. Pro tip: while you're here, you can customize your vibration patterns. Tap on Ringtone or Text Tone and select from the vibration options to make it unique, maybe a quick buzz for texts or a longer one for calls. This is especially useful in 2025 models with enhanced haptics for a more precise feel. Once you've made your changes, exit Settings and test it out. Give your iPhone a call from another device or send yourself a message to ensure the Vibrate is working as expected. If it's not vibrating, double-check that your phone isn't in Do Not Disturb mode, which might override these settings. And there you have it, Vibrate mode activated on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. This update in 2025 makes it more intuitive than ever. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.